Welcome back to Math Dogs. If you're new to the channel, please comment, like, and subscribe. If you have any questions, please comment down below. Problem number 3 says the length of a rectangle is twice the number minus 3. The width of the rectangle is 8 less than that number. The area of the rectangle is 84 square centimeters. Find the length and width. So the problem asks us to find the length and width, and again we're going to draw a diagram to help us visualize. So I have a rectangle and I know that the area of the rectangle is 84 square centimeters. And now I have to write an expression for the length and the width. It says the length of the rectangle is twice a number minus 3. So I'm going to call that number x. Twice a number means 2x, and minus 3 is just subtracting 3. So the expression for the length would be 2x minus 3. It says the width of the rectangle is 8 less than that number. So that number we know is x, less than is subtraction, and the word than switches the order. So even though 8 is written first in words, it will be written second in symbols, and the x, or that number, will be written first in symbols. So the expression for the width is x minus 8. And now I'm going to set up my equation. I know that area of a rectangle is equal to length times width. The area is 84 square centimeters. And then I'm going to multiply 2x minus 3 times x minus 8. So I have a FOIL on the right side of the equation. 2x times x is 2x squared. 2x times negative 8 is negative 16x. Negative 3 times x is negative 3x, and negative 3 times negative 8 is positive 24. I have like terms in the middle, so my equation would say 84 equals 2x squared minus 19x plus 24. Since this is a quadratic equation because the square on the 2x squared, I'm going to set one side equal to 0 by subtracting 84 from both sides. So 0 would equal 2x squared minus 19x minus 60. And now I'm going to factor. So most trinomials break into two binomials if they're factorable. 2x squared can be made by multiplying 2x times x. I know that my outside-inside products have to subtract to give me 19 in the middle, and my choices of factors for 60 would be 1 and 60, 2 times 30, 3 times 20, 4 times 15, 5 times 12, and 6 times 10. So I have a lot of different choices. Since I know that the middle term is 19, I'm going to choose 5 and 12. 2x times 12 will give me 24x, and 5 times x will give me 5x, and 24 minus 5 is 19. So I want the negative 24, positive 5, to give me the negative 19x in the middle. Now I'm going to set each factor equal to 0 and solve to find out what the number x is so I can substitute it back and find the length and the width. To solve 2x plus 5 equals 0, I'll subtract 5 from both sides, so 2x will equal negative 5, and then divide by 2, x equals negative 5 halves, and again, distance cannot be negative, so that answer can't be true. For the other factor, I will add 12 to both sides and find out that the number that represents the expressions for the length and the width is 12. So now I'm going to substitute back in the expressions. X minus 8 would be 12 minus 8, and so I know the width would be 4 centimeters. For the length, I would have 2 times 12 minus 3. 2 times 12 is 24, and 24 minus 3 is 21. So the length would be 21 centimeters, and the width would be 4 centimeters.